Hello students, today I'm going to solve your remaining problem of your exercise 4B. I have completed first and second questions. Today I'm going to start from your question number 3. Okay, question number 3, find the following sums. Okay, so in this one I'm going to solve first, fifth and sixth. Remaining second, third and fourth you will do with yourself, students. Now the question number first one. Okay, 1 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3 plus minus 2 by 3, students. In this one, you see these denominators are equal. So it is very easy. Add the numerator and write the common denominator 1 times. So it is a 3. Okay. 1 plus 7 and plus, and this is a minus, so write in a bracket minus 2. In next step, 1 plus 7 and plus minus, you will add this one, 1 plus 7, you will get this 8, and plus minus, plus, if you remove this bracket, then plus is multiplied into minus, you will get this minus. Okay, students? So minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 8 minus 2, you will get this 6 upon 3. Okay, so you know that 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So your answer is, for this case, your answer is 2, students. So I think it is very easy. First one is very easy. Now this second, third and fourth is same as it is. Fifth one, you can see this fifth one. When the denominators are equal, then it is very easy to add the numerator and write the denominator 1 times. Now question number 5th, 2 plus minus 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon minus 2. So see this one, students. When your denominator is in negative, so your first aim is to change it into a positive. So 3 upon minus 2, how you will change this minus 2 as a positive? Multiply with minus 1 upside and downside. So you will get this minus 3 and minus 1 is multiplied into minus 2. You will get this plus 2. So your this fraction minus 3 upon minus 2 will change it minus 3 upon 2. So first you change this denominator as a positive. Then after you will do your calculation. 2 plus in bracket minus 1 upon 3 and plus, if you change this one, what you will get in place of this one? You will get minus 3 upon 2. So I'm going to write in place of 3 upon minus 2, I'm going to write minus 3 upon 2. And then and this is a 2 only, so you write 2 upon 1. Then the LCM of 1, 2 and 3 is equal to 6. You know that 2 is multiplied by 3, you will get 6. So means that your common denominator, like that 3 now you have written, because all that denominators are equal, same as it is, you will change all that denominator as a 6, or you will write 1 times as a 6 and divide by each denominator and multiply whatever you will get it, you will multiply in the numerator. Okay, so from 1, if you divide this common denominator, what you will get? 6, and 6 is multiplied into 2. Okay, write one more step, you can do that. Then by 3, if you divide this 6, what you will get? 2, and 2 is multiplied into minus 1. So write in a bracket minus 1 is multiplied by 2. Okay, plus by 2, if you divide this 6, what you will get? You will get 3, and 3 is going to be multiplied in minus 3. So 3 is multiplied by minus 3 is multiplied by 3. Okay, so in next step, 6 2s are 12 plus in bracket minus 2 plus in bracket minus 9. Okay, so one more step you can do that. 12 plus minus minus plus minus minus upon 6. Okay, so 12, if you want you can subtract 12 minus 2, you will get 10. 10 minus 9, what you will get? This one, you will get 1 upon 6. Okay, simple is that? No, 12 minus 2, 10. and 10 minus 9, you will get this 1 upon 6. This is your answer, students, for this case. Okay, so when your denominator are negative, first your aim is to change it in positive by multiplying minus 1 in numerator as well as the denominator. Then you will get this minus 3 upon 2, and the rest you know that. Take the LCM of the denominators, find the LCM, and that LCM is your equivalent denominator. You will write 1 times, and by each denominator you will divide this denominator, this equivalent denominator. What the value you will get it, you will multiply in this numerators 1 by 1. You will get that your answer. Okay, so this is your 1 upon 6 is your answer for this case, question number 5th. Now your question number 6, students. Question number 6. In this you can see this 3 upon minus 16. How you will change this minus 16 as a positive 16? So multiply. So in 3, in numerator you will multiply by minus 1. In denominator also you will multiply with minus 1. So minus 3, and minus is multiplied into minus, you will get this plus. So minus 3 upon 16. Same as it is you will do with this one also. So your first aim is to change this denominator as a positive denominator. Okay, so 5 upon 12 plus this change it into a minus 3 upon 16 plus this is same as it is 7 upon minus 8 is also 7 is multiplied by minus 1, and minus 8 is multiplied by minus 1. You will get this minus 7 and plus 8. So in place of 7 upon 8, 7 upon minus 8, you will write this minus 7 upon 8, students. Then after you will take the LCM of 12, 16 and 8. Okay, so here I am going to take that LCM. LCM of 8, 12 and 16. Very easy, students. 8, 12, 16. It goes with 2 times. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. Again with 2 times. 2, 3, 4. Again 2 times. 1, 3, 2. Again 2 times. 1, 3, 1. And then after 3 times. 1, 1, 1. So this is your LCM. So the LCM of 12, 8, 12 and 16. What you will get this one? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So your LCM is a 48. Means that your common denominator you will get this 48. So then after you will write this 48 as a common denominator, and same step you will repeat for this case also. 48 is divided by 12. 48 is divided by 12. 4, you will get the 4, and 4 is going to be multiplied in 5. Plus, same as it is, by 16, you will divide this 48. 48 is divided by 16. So, what you will get this 3, and 3 is multiplied into minus 3. Okay. And plus, by 8, if you divide this 48, what you will get? 6. And 6 is multiplied into minus 7. Okay. In next case, you will get this 5 4s are 20. Plus, minus 3 is multiplied into plus 3. You will get this minus 9. Plus, minus 7 is multiplied into 6. Minus 42 upon 48. In next step, I'm going to use this one. Next step, upside you can see this here, students. 20 and 20 plus minus, you will get this minus 9, plus minus, you will get this minus 42 upon 48. Okay. So see this one, students. First we subtract this 20 minus 9, you will get this 11 minus 42 upon 48. First I have done this one. Okay. Same as it is in this one. First I have done this one. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 1 upon 6. Same as it is 20 minus 9, 11. 11 minus 42. What you will get this, students? Is one is a positive, other is negative. Always subtract the smaller one from the bigger one and put the sign which have a greater absolute value. So in this one, 11 and minus 40, 11 and 42, which one is a greater? 42. Its sign is minus. So whatever the quantity you will get, that is a minus. So you will get this 1, 3 minus 31 upon 48. That is your answer. For this case, minus 31 upon 48. So remaining question number 2nd, 3rd and 4th, you will try. And this is very easy, students. If your denominator is negative, change it into a positive by multiplying minus 1, both numerator and denominator, or simply you will change this sign, this negative sign, you will take it upside. Okay, how you will get it upside? By multiplying minus both numerator and denominator, and then rest you know that how to add the rational numbers. Okay, now next question, question number 4. Number 4, students. Question number 4. Simplify. Second one is and fourth one. First and third you will do with yourself. See this second one. It is very easy, students. Minus 7 upon 11 plus 3 upon minus 55. So our aim is to change this minus 55 as a plus 55. Very easy. Multiply with minus in numerator and denominator. You will get this minus 3. Minus is multiplied into minus. You will get this plus 55. Okay. So same as it is, you will change this one. Minus 7 upon 11 plus, okay, in place of 3 upon minus 55, you will write this minus 3 upon 55. Okay, minus 3 upon 55. So in next case, students, 11 and 55. What is the LCM of 11 and 55? LCM of 11 and 55. Very easy. It is understood. You will get this 55 as a LCM. Okay, so you will find it, but same as it is, you will get this 55. Okay, very easy. 11 and 55. 11 times 5 times, sorry, first you go with small numbers. Okay, so 11 here, then 11 times 1 and 1. So what you will get this 11 in multiplied by 55, you will get this 55. So it means that your common denominator is 55. It means that by 11 you will divide this 55. You will get 5. 5 is multiplied into minus 7 plus, okay, by 55 if you divide this 55, 1 is multiplied into minus 3. Okay, so minus 7 is multiplied into 5, minus 35 plus minus 3 is multiplied into 1, minus 3 upon 55, students. In next step, minus 35 plus minus 3 upon 55. Okay, then after you will get this minus 38 upon 55, because both are negative. So add that value and you will get this minus 38 upon 55. Minus 38 upon 55. That is your answer, students. Minus 35, minus 3, both are negative. Add the value and put the negative sign. Minus 38 upon 55. So I think it is very easy. Same as it is question number 4. Also, you students. Question number 4. In this one, okay, take the LCM. LCM of 4, 8 and 16. LCM of 4, 8 and 16. This is not a rough work, it is a fair work. You can do it in your copy to the right side. Okay, so here 4, 8, 16, 2 times 2, 4, 8, again 2, 1, 2, 4 times 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 to 4 to 8, 16. So what is the LCM? You will get this case 4, 8 and 16, that is 16. So it means that your common denominator, you will get this 16 here. So write this 16 as a common denominator. Okay, from where you will get this 16? Taking the LCM of the given denominator. So by 4, if you divide this 16, what you will get? 4. 4 is going to be multiplied into minus 3. Okay, plus by 8, if you divide this 16, 2. 2 is multiplied into 7. Plus by 16, if you divide this 16, 1. 1 is multiplied into minus 9. Okay, minus 3 is multiplied into 4, minus 12. Plus 7 is multiplied into 2, 14. Minus 9 is multiplied into 1 with plus. Here is one more step, you can do that. Okay, so minus 12 plus 14 and plus minus 9 upon 16. So students, here you see this one, this is a plus and this one is a minus. Or first you do this one, this. First you subtract this one and then after whatever the quantity you will get, you will subtract this one also. 14 minus 9, you will get 5 upon 16. So one is a positive, other is negative. Always subtract and put the sign which have a greater value. So minus is a greater, means 12 is a greater than 5. Its a sign is a minus. So minus 12 minus 5, what you will get? 7. So 7 upon 16. That is your answer for question number 4th. Okay, so first and third you will try with yourself, and question number 2nd and 4th is. Next question is question number 5. Express each of the following rational numbers as a sum of an integer and a rational number. Means that you will write as a sum of integer and a rational number. Okay, integer and rational number. You will write this rational number as a sum of integer and a rational number, like 1 plus 1 upon 4. 1 is an integer and 1 upon 4 is a rational number. 2 plus 3 upon 4 are 5. Okay, so same as our minus 2 plus minus 3 upon 5. So we are going to see this one, how to do this question number 5th. Okay, so first one is a 13 upon 6. Change it into a mixed fraction. What you will get, students? You will get this. See this one? I will show you this. 6 2s are 12. You will get this one. 2 whole. So 2 whole 1 upon 6. Okay, 2 whole 1 upon 6. So this one I am going to write in form of a plus. Means that 2 plus 1 upon 6. This is your answer for. It is very easy. If it is all are a plus, then it is very easy to write that in form of an integer and a rational number. But how you will do this one? It is also very easy, students. Okay, first you change it into a positive denominator. Multiply with minus. 24 is multiplied by minus 1 and minus 5 is also multiplied with minus 1. So in this case you will get this 24 with minus sign, and minus is multiplied into minus, you will get this 5. Okay, students, so minus 24 upon 5. Change it into a mixed fraction. 4 times. You will get this 4 whole with minus sign. 4 whole 4 upon 5. This is minus is outside of students. If you see this one, it is outside. Okay, but no need to write this bracket. Okay, so how you will change it? If you are going to write in form of this one, so minus you will take outside 4 and then plus 4 upon 5. Okay, and if you remove this bracket, minus is going to be multiplied in this 4, minus 4. Here is the minus is going to be multiplied in this plus also. you will get this minus. You will get here, see this minus 4 upon 5. But in your question it is asking that to write a sum of an integer and a rational number. Sum, not a minus. Okay. So how you will change this one? You will change this one as a minus 4. Here this plus as it is. You will write this minus. You change, if you want, you change this plus 1. You will write this minus 4 plus and minus. You will take this minus 4 upon 5. Okay. Because if you remove this plus, plus is going to be multiplied in this minus, you will get this minus here. Okay. So same as it is, plus and minus, you will write here minus 4 upon 5. This is your answer for this case. Okay. Minus 4 plus, and this means actual, no problem. If you write this way also it is a correct, but here it is asking that to write as a sum of an integer. Sum of an integer and a rational number means that in your question it wants plus sign. Okay. So how you will change this minus as a plus? Taking this minus in a numerator and this plus in place of this negative, you will write this plus. Okay. So your answer is a minus 4 plus in bracket plus then minus 4 upon 5. Okay. So question number 2nd and 4th you will try with yourself, students, and if any doubts please ask that. Your next and the last question, question number 6. 6 students. Ansaj walks 2 by 5 km from a place P, towards the north, and then from one whole 2 by 3 km towards the south. What is the position now from P? Suppose a point P is there. Okay. Ansaj walk 2 by 5 km towards north. North, it means the positive sign. If we are going upside, we use a plus sign. Okay. 2 by 5 km to the north direction. Okay. From point P, then from there means he reach at a point. He reach at this point. Okay. 2 by 5 km. Okay. At point A. Okay. From A, one whole 2 by 3 km towards the south direction. Okay. So firstly it goes to this direction and then after it will return at this place, point B. This one is a one whole 2 by 3. Okay. Kilometer towards south. We use a minus sign. Okay. Opposite of plus, then it is a minus. So this quantity is in minus and this one is in plus, students. Okay. This is a starting point from P. First he goes 2 by 5 km in north direction, and then from that point, from point A, he will return 2 by 3 km in a south direction. So what is the position now from P? What is the position from this point at a origin point? Okay. So let us start, students. This is your solution for this case. Okay. Let us denote the distance traveled towards the north direction. From point P, if we move towards north direction, we use a plus sign, and so the distance traveled towards the south direction must be denoted a minus sign, just opposite of plus, that is a minus. So we use a minus sign for south direction and plus sign for a north direction. So first we move 2 by 5 km. So first we write this 2 by 5. Okay, and then after plus total distance covered by Ansaj. Okay, this is in negative, so minus 1 whole 2 by 3 total distance covered by Ansaj kilometer. Okay, students. Then after 2 by 5 plus, change it into a 3 2 0 3 1 3 2 5 minus 5 by 3 kilometer. Okay, then remove the bracket. 2 upon 5 plus and minus, minus 5 upon 3. Okay, take the LCM of 5 and 3. You will get this 15 as a LCM, and by 5 if you divide this 15 you will get 3, and 3 is multiplied into 2, 2 into 3 with minus sign. By 3 if you divide this 15 you will get this 5, 5 is multiplied into 5. Okay, so 3 2 is 6, minus 5 into 5, 25 upon 15, and you will get this. Then minus 19 upon 15. Okay, and then minus 1 whole 4 upon 15 kilometer. This is also in kilometer, students. Okay, hence this is very important. Hence your answer you will write hence. Okay, answers at a distance of answers is at a distance of 1 whole 4 upon 15 kilometer. 1 whole 4 upon 15 kilometer from point P, from P towards south direction, from P towards south. Okay, hence answers is at a distance of 1 whole 4 upon 15 kilometer from P towards south. Okay, towards south direction. Hence very important this point. If it is a minus, then it is in south direction. If you get it plus, then it is in north direction, students.
So students, by this way I have completed your exercise 4B. Okay, and if any doubts related to your homework, please ask your doubt. Thank you, students.